Hi, welcome to Dave's Corner of the World. Have a great day.
Okay. Hey, I almost started without you. I thought I'd bring you along. I'm just marking the holes for my solar rack so I can put these racks on the motorhome maybe this weekend. So what I'm going to do, you can measure them, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay the 3 panels out just the way it's going to be installed. And there's mounting brackets, mounting holes in the panels. And I'm just going to go along and mark them just like that. Try to get it as close as I can. I don't need to be super exact because the holes in these panels are 3/8, and I'm going to put a quarter inch bolt in them. So they don't need to be super exact, but I don't want it really goofy bad either. I'll just put all 4 racks together. Well, maybe I can only do 2 at a time. That's probably what I'm going to have to do. The steel is cold out here this morning. I have to find my marks. I lost my marks, couldn't see them. There's mark across like that. There's that one. Okay, got them marked. Now all I need to do is get my drill press out here. Got a drill press from Harbor Freight the other day. Need to center punch those, get a 5/16 drill bit, and drill through it. I am not going to use a full 5/16. I'm going to go with 19/64, which is a 64th less than 9/16. By the way, do you know what half of 3/8 is? It's really easy to figure. Half of 3/8 is 3/16. You leave the top number the same. You divide the bottom, you multiply the bottom number by 2. Pretty simple. My best friend and mentor taught me that many, many, many years ago. Les Bonnet. Wonderful man. Well, shall we see what's going to happen? No time like the present, huh? I don't even know what I got for speed setting on this thing. Got a handy dandy light that I'll probably never use. I think that speed's all right. Might be, if anything, it's just a little bit slow. I went and got my oil can. I suppose I need to use it. Well, golly, boys and girls, I'm kind of impressed. Seems like it's going to work pretty good. That's all the holes. I'm done until I get the bolts and the nuts and the washers and a bunch of other stuff. Then I'll put it up on the roof. So, all went pretty well. I'm pretty impressed with this little rig. It did all right. See you next time